Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Salsa Bila Major Biology Education at Semarang State University. First of all, thank you for the opportunity to speak to you. And today, I'd like to present our research about reproduction of cell. Okay, my presentation will take about 4 until 10 minutes, and I appreciate it if you could leave any question you may have until the end of my presentation. Let's get started. First is introduction. Cells, after reaching a certain size, will divide. There are various ways of cell division, namely mitotic division, meiosis division, and amitotic division. Cell reproduction begins with nuclear division or karyokinesis, followed by cell division or cytokinesis. Cell reproduce through the process of division. Cell division is the process when a cell divides into two or more. It consists of two kinds, namely mitotic division and meiosis. Mitotic division is the process when a somatic cell duplicates the chromosome in its nucleus to produce two identical child cells. Meanwhile, meiosis is a type of nuclear division which reduces the number of chromosome sets by half in child cells. And in this research, we will discuss about mitotic divisions. And next is objective. This practicum aims to observe the reproduction of allium cepas root cell and also the differences in each phase of its division. Now, let's move on my new topic, that methodology. There are steps in methodology. First is preparing longitudinal section of allium cepas root. And second, observing the divisions of the allium cepas root using a microscope. And then observe each phase of mitotic division that occurs and what are the differences between each phase. And fourth, take pictures from the result of the microscope that has been obtained. And then last, draw all the phases of the mitotic division of allium cepas root and complete each description. Okay, let's move to the result. There is a picture of phase of the mitotic division. There are several phases, namely interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and then cytokinesis. Okay, next is conclusion. To conclude, I'd like to say mitosis occurs in somatic cell division that occur indirectly through various stages. The stage of mitotic division consists of interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, which is usually called the karyokinesis phase. Then, process with the cytokinesis phase, which is the process of dividing into two daughter cells. Okay, and then knowledge. Before we finish the discussion in this practicum activity and the preparation of this practicum report, I would like to thank Dr. Saiful Rido, Magister of Science, as supporting lectures, and then Kanifa Nafis Lutfiana and Yudi Prianto as laboratory assistant, and also to Hustiana Adinda Zahra, who played a role in observing the cell reproduction practicum. So I think it's all. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any question, I'd be happy to answer them now. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.